Okay, so I've got some deli meat here. I do not like when the deli meat is not sealed, so it's just going to go back in that plastic bag in the fridge. Instead, we're just going to go ahead and put the deli meat right here in this vacuum seal bag. This is the Zwilling vacuum seal bag, and I'm going to show you how we seal it up. So we're just going to seal that bag now. Keep my vacuum sealer right here in the kitchen drawer. Nice and handy. I popped that bottom off, okay? And then all you got to do is make sure your bag is all the way sealed. It's got a little zipper here, so mine is sealed. You've got this little red vacuum seal hole right there. You're going to put that right over the top, okay? And if you have a bag that's full of liquid, they do have a little cap that goes on the inside that stops the liquid from getting sucked up in there. Turkey's fine. I'm just going to put that right over the hole, and I'm going to turn this on. There it goes. Watch. And once it's done, it just stops automatically. And now we have perfectly sealed, airtight turkey. And they basically say it's going to keep your food fresher 4 to 5 times longer. So that's what the bags and the vacuum seal system look like.